American history is a vast and complex subject, spanning centuries and encompassing a wide range of events, movements, and people. The Pre-Columbian Era in American history refers to the time period before the arrival of Christopher Columbus in 1492. It encompasses thousands of years of diverse cultures and civilizations developed by Native American peoples across the continents of North and South America. This era is characterized by the richness and complexity of indigenous societies, their cultural achievements, technological advancements, and diverse ways of life. Before European exploration and colonization, the Americas were home to numerous advanced civilizations. These civilizations developed complex social, political, and economic systems, as well as sophisticated artistic and architectural traditions. In North America, notable civilizations included the ancestral Puebloans in the Southwest, the Mississippian culture in the Midwest and Southeast, the Hohokam and Mogollon cultures in the Southwest, and the Iroquois Confederacy in the Northeast. In South America, the Inca Empire, the Maya civilization, and the Aztec Empire were among the most prominent. The indigenous peoples of the Americas had diverse subsistence strategies based on their geographical locations. In regions with abundant natural resources, such as the Pacific Northwest and the Great Plains, Native Americans relied on hunting, gathering, and fishing. In other areas, such as Mesoamerica and the Andean region, they practiced sophisticated forms of agriculture, including the cultivation of maize, corn, beans, and squash. These agricultural practices allowed for the development of sedentary societies and the rise of urban centers. One of the most remarkable achievements of the pre-Columbian civilizations was their architectural and engineering prowess. The Maya, for example, built monumental cities with impressive pyramids, palaces, and observatories. The Inca constructed extensive road systems and stone structures, including the famous citadel of Machu Picchu. These architectural achievements were often aligned with astronomical observations, demonstrating a sophisticated understanding of mathematics and astronomy. Art and craftsmanship were highly developed in pre-Columbian societies, with a focus on intricate pottery, textiles, metalwork, and sculpture. Each culture had its unique artistic style, symbolism, and techniques. For instance, the ancestral Puebloans created distinctive pottery with intricate geometric designs, while the Olmec civilization is renowned for its colossal stone heads. Many of these artistic traditions are still practiced by indigenous communities today, preserving their cultural heritage. The social and political organization of pre-Columbian societies varied widely. Some cultures, like the Maya and Aztecs, had highly centralized states with powerful rulers and complex bureaucracies. The Inca Empire operated through an elaborate system of administrative centers and a network of roads. In contrast, other societies, like the Iroquois Confederacy, were organized as decentralized confederations of tribes, with decision-making based on consensus among leaders. Religion played a central role in the lives of indigenous peoples. They held diverse spiritual beliefs and engaged in complex ritual practices. For example, the Aztecs practiced human sacrifice as part of their religious ceremonies, while the ancestral Puebloans had a deep connection to nature and performed elaborate rituals to ensure agricultural fertility. These belief systems shaped the worldview, art, and social organization of indigenous societies. Trade and cultural exchange were also significant in the pre-Columbian era. Native American civilizations established extensive trade networks, exchanging goods, ideas, and technologies over vast distances. Long-distance trade routes connected regions such as Mesoamerica, the American Southwest, and the Andes, fostering the exchange of goods like obsidian, turquoise, cacao, and textiles. These networks facilitated the spread of cultural practices, knowledge, and innovations. The pre-Columbian era of American history provides a rich and complex tapestry of diverse cultures, civilizations, and achievements. It is a reminder of the resilience, innovation, and cultural richness of the indigenous peoples who inhabited the Americas long before European contact. Understanding and appreciating this era deepens our understanding of the roots of American history and the contributions of Native American peoples to the development of the continent.